Welcome to Shaker Maths. Today we are going to learn 7th class Mathematics Semester 1, 3rd chapter Simple Equations, Exercise 3.2. Before going to do the exercise, let us learn the textbook concept. Solving simple equations. Samanya Samikaranala Sadhana. An equation is like a weighing balance with equal weights on both of its spans in which the arms of the balance are exactly horizontal. సామాన్య సమీకరణం ఒక త్రాసు యొక్క రెండు పలలలో సమాన బరువులు ఉంచడం లాంటిది. ఈ సందర్భంలో త్రాసు యొక్క దండం క్షితిజ సమాంతరంగా ఉండాలి. ఇఫ్ వీ యాడ్ సేమ్ వెయిట్స్ టు బోత్ ది ప్యాన్స్, రెండు పలలలో సమాన బరువులు యాడ్ చేసిన, ఆర్ రిమూవ్ సేమ్ వెయిట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ బోత్ ది ప్యాన్స్, రెండు పళ్ళల్లో నుంచి సమాన బరువులను తీసేసినా కానీ ఆర్మ్స్ మస్ట్ బి హారిజాంటల్, దండం ఖచ్చితంగా క్షితిజ సమాంతరంగా ఉండాలి. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద సేమ్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ వీ యూజ్ ఫర్ సాల్వింగ్ అన్ ఈక్వేషన్. నౌ లెట్ us take an example. Solve x plus 5 is equal to 8 by using common balance idea. Solution: let us take a common balance and on the left hand side there is x plus 5. So ఎడమ వైపు పళ్ళెము లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ప్యాన్ పుట్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 5 అండ్ అబ్జర్వ్ దట్ ఆర్హెచ్ఎస్ దెర్ ఈజ్ 8. సో పుట్ 8 ఆన్ ది రైట్ సైడ్ ప్యాన్, కుడివైపు పళ్ళెంలో 8 ఉంచుదాం. ఇప్పుడు లెటస్ రిమూవ్ 5 కిలోగ్రామ్స్ ఫ్రమ్ బోత్ ది ప్యాన్స్, రెండు పళ్ళాల్లో నుంచి 5 కిలోగ్రాముల బరువును తీసేస్తున్నాము. దట్ మీన్స్ ఇన్ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 5 మైనస్ 5, రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ 8 మైనస్ 5. సో ఎడమవైపు పళ్ళెంలో ప్లస్ 5 మైనస్ 5 ఆర్ గెట్ క్యాన్సల్డ్, దెన్ వీ గెట్ ఎక్స్. రైట్ సైడ్ ప్యాన్లో 8 మైనస్ 5 వీ గెట్ 3. సో ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3 is the solution. Now let us find out rules for solving a simple equation. The equation remains unchanged if a the same number is added to both sides of the equation. ఇరువైపులా ఒకే విలువను కలపడం వల్ల సమీకరణంలో ఎటువంటి మార్పు ఉండదు. లెట్ us take an example. x minus 9 is equal to 7. Observe that here 9 is subtracted. So opposite to that, దీనికి విరుద్ధంగా we have to add the same number on both sides. Then we get on the left hand side x minus 9 plus 9 is equal to right side 7 plus 9. Left hand side minus 9 plus 9 are get cancelled, so only x remains. x మాత్రం ఉంటుంది. That is equal to right hand side 7 plus 9 becomes 16. So x is equal to 16 is the solution of the given equation. Next b, the same number is subtracted from both sides of the equation. ఇరువైపులా ఒకే విలువను తీసివేయడం వల్ల సమీకరణంలో ఎటువంటి మార్పు ఉండదు. Let us take an example. x plus 5 is equal to 9. Here observe that here 5 is added, 5 కలపబడింది. సో ఆపోజిట్గా we have to subtract 5 from both sides. Then on left hand side x plus 5 minus 5 is equal to on right hand side 9 minus 5. Left hand side plus 5 minus 5 are get cancelled, so only x remains. x మాత్రం ఉంటుంది. That is equal to right hand side 9 minus 5 we get 4. So x is equal to 4 is the solution of the given equation. Now see, the same number is multiplied on both sides of the equation. సమీకరణం ఇరువైపులా ఒకే విలువతో గుణించడం వల్ల సమీకరణంలో ఎటువంటి మార్పు ఉండదు. Let us take an example. x by 5 is equal to 15. Observe that here 5 is dividing the number x. So opposite to that, we have to multiply by the same number on both sides. That means on left hand side x by 5 into 5 is equal to on right hand side 15 into 5. On simplification by 5 1 ja, that is on LHS x into 1 is x is equal to on right hand side 15 into 5 is 75. So x is equal to 75 is the solution of the equation. Next d, the same non-zero number divides both sides of the equation. సమీకరణము ఇరువైపులా సున్నా కాని సంఖ్యతో భాగించడం వల్ల సమీకరణంలో ఎటువంటి మార్పు ఉండదు. Let us take an example. 7x is equal to 14. Observe that here 7 is multiplying the number x. So opposite to that we have to divide by the same number on both sides. So dividing by 7 on both sides, 7x by 7 on left hand side, that is equal to 14 by 7 on right hand side. On simplification by 7, 7 1 ja, that is 1 into x is x on left hand side. On right hand side 7 2 ja, so is equal to 2. So x is equal to is the solution of the equation. So operations in solving simple equations are, let us take the BODMAS rule, BODMAS. But we take last 4 operations, that is DMAS. So if division occurs, we have to do multiplication, or if multiplication occurs, we have to do division. If addition occurs, we have to do subtraction. If subtraction occurs, we have to do addition. Now let us do exercise 3.2. Number 1. Give the steps you will use to separate the variables and then solve the equation 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 1. 5m by 3 is equal to 10. Solution 1. 5m by 3 is equal to 10. Observe that here 3 is dividing the number 5m. So opposite to that, we have to multiply by 3 on both sides. That is 5m by 3 into 3 on left hand side is equal to 10 into 3 on right hand side. On simplification by 3, 3 1 ja, that is 5m into 1 is equal to 5m is equal to 10 into 3 is 30. Observe that here 5 is multiplying the number m. So opposite to that, we have to divide by the same number 5 on both sides. That is 5m by 5 is equal to 30 by 5. On simplification by 5, 5 1 ja, that is 1 into m is equal to, on right hand side 5 6 ja, so m is equal to 6 is the solution of the given equation. Now number 2. 4n minus 23 is equal to 13. Solution 2. 4n minus 23 is equal to 13. Observe that here 23 is subtracted. So opposite to that, we have to add 23 on both sides. Then we get on left hand side 4n minus 23 plus 23 is equal to right side 13 plus 23. On left side minus 23 plus 23 are get cancelled. So on left hand side 4n is equal to right side 36. Observe that here 4 is multiplying the number n. So opposite to that, we have to divide by the same number 4 on both sides. That is 4n by 4 is equal to 36 by 4. Then on simplification by 4, on left hand side 4 1 ja, that is 1 into n is equal to, on right hand side 4 9 ja, that is equal to n is equal to 9 is the solution of the equation. Number 3. Minus 5 plus 3x is equal to 16. Solution 3. Here observe that minus 5 is subtracted. So opposite to that, we have to add both sides 5. Then on left hand side minus 5 and plus 5 are get cancelled. On right side 16 plus 5 is 21. So 3x is equal to 21. Observe that here 3 is multiplying the number x. So opposite to that, we have to divide by the same number 3 on both sides. On simplification by 3, 3 1 ja on left hand side. On right side 3 7 ja. So 1 into x is equal to 7 is the solution of the equation. Now number 4. 2 into y minus 1 is equal to 8. Solution 4. Observe that here 2 is multiplying. So opposite to that, we have to divide by the same number 2 on both sides. That is 2 into y minus 1 by 2 is equal to 8 by 2. On simplification by 2, 2 1 ja on left side. On right side 2 4 ja. So 1 into y minus 1 is y minus 1 is equal to 4. Then observe that 1 is subtracted. So opposite to that, we have to add both sides 1. Then we get y minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 are get cancelled on left hand side, that is equal to y. On right side 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 is the solution. 2. Solve the following simple equations and check the results. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let us take the first problem. Number 1. 3x is equal to 18. Solution 1. 3x is equal to 18. Observe that here 3 is multiplying the number x. So opposite to that we have to divide by the same number 3 on both sides. Then 3x by 3 is equal to 18 by 3. On simplification by 3 on left hand side 3 1 ja. On right side 3 6 ja. So x is equal to 6 is the solution of the equation. Now let us check whether it is correct or not. Put x is equal to 6 in the given equation. Then on left hand side 3 into x is 6. So put 6. So 3 into 6 is 18, which is equal to 18 on the right hand side. Both the left hand side and right hand side are equal. Hence it is verified. Now number 2. B by 7 is equal to minus 2. Solution 2. Observe that here 7 is dividing the number b. So opposite to that we have to multiply with the same number 7 on both sides. Then on simplification by 7, 7 1 ja. So b into 1 is b on left side. Minus 2 into 7 is minus 14 on right side. So b is equal to minus 14 is the solution. Let us check. Put b is equal to minus 14 in the given equation. Now on the left hand side, put minus 14 in place of b, that is minus 14 by 7. On simplification by 7, 7 2 ja, which is equal to minus 2, which is on the right hand side. Hence it is verified. Number 3. Minus 2x is equal to minus 10. Solution 3. Observe that here minus 2 is multiplying the number x. So opposite to that we have to divide by the same number minus 2 on both sides. Then on simplification by minus 2 on left side minus 2 1 ja. On right side minus 2 5 ja. So x is equal to 5 is the solution. Let us check. Put x is equal to 5 in the given equation. Then on left hand side minus 2 into put 5 in place of x. That is minus 2 into 5 is minus 10, which is on the right hand side. Hence it is verified. Number 4. 10 plus 6a is equal to 40. Solution 4. Observe that here 10 is added. So opposite to that we have to subtract 10 from both sides. So on left hand side plus 10 minus 10 are get cancelled. So 6a is equal to right side 40 minus 10 is 30. Observe that here 6 is multiplying a. Opposite to that we have to divide by the same number 6 on both sides. Now on simplification by 6 on left side 6 1 ja. On right side 6 5 ja. So left side 1 into a is equal to 5 is the solution. Let us check. Put a is equal to 5 in the given equation. Now left hand side is equal to 10 plus 6 into put 5 in place of a, that is 10 plus 6 into 5. 6 into 5 is 30. 10 plus 30 is equal to 40, which is also on the right hand side. Hence it is verified. Number 5. Minus 7m is equal to 21. Solution 5. Observe that here minus 7 is multiplying the number m. So opposite to that we have to divide by the same number minus 7 on both sides. So minus 7m by minus 7 is equal to 21 by minus 7. On simplification by minus 7 1 ja on the left side. Minus 7 minus 3 ja on the right side. So 1 into m is equal to minus 3 is the solution. Now let us check. Put m is equal to minus 3 in the above equation. Then LHS is equal to minus 7 into put minus 3 in place of m. Minus 7 into minus 3 is equal to 21, which is also on the right hand side. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is verified. Number 6. 4p plus 7 is equal to minus 21. Solution 6. Observe that here 7 is added. Opposite to that we have to subtract 7 on both sides. Then on left hand side minus 7 plus 7 are get cancelled and left side is 4p is equal to right side minus 21 minus 7 is minus 28. Observe that here 4 is multiplying the number p. So Opposite to that, we have to divide both sides by the same number 4. On simplification by 4, 4 1 ja on left side, 4 minus 7 ja on right side. So 1 into p is equal to minus 7 is the solution. Now let us check. Put p is equal to minus 7 in the given equation. Then left hand side is equal to 4 into, put to minus 7 in place of p plus 7. That is 4 into minus 7 is minus 28 plus 7 is equal to minus 21, which is also on the right hand side. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is verified. Seventh problem, 3x minus 1 by 3 is equal to 5. Solution 7. Observe that here 1 by 3 is subtracted. So opposite to that, we have to add 1 by 3 on both sides. That is 3x minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 5 plus 1 by 3. So on left hand side, minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 are get cancelled. So we get 3x is equal to 5 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 16 by 3. Because 5 can be written as 5 by 1 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 5 into 3 is 15 plus 1 into 1 is 1. That is 15 plus 1 in the numerator by 1 into 3 in the denominator. That is 16 by 3. Observe that here 3 is multiplying the number x. So opposite to that, we have to divide 3 on both sides or multiply both sides by 1 by 3. On simplification by 3, 3 1 ja on left side. That is x is equal to, on right side 16 into 1 is 16 by 3 into 3 is 9. So x is equal to 16 by 9 is the solution. Now let us check whether it is correct or not. Put x is equal to 16 by 9 in the given equation. Then left hand side is equal to 3 into, put 16 by 9 in place of x. That is 3 into 16 by 9 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 on simplification by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. That is 16 by 3 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 15 by 3 on simplification by 3. 3 5 ja, which is equal to 5, which is also on the right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence it is verified. Now eighth problem, 18 minus 7n is equal to minus 3. Solution 8. Observe that here plus 18. So opposite to that, we have to subtract 18 on both sides. Then on left hand side, plus 18 minus 18 are get cancelled. So left hand side minus 7n is equal to minus 3 minus 18 is minus 21. Observe that minus 7 is multiplied with the number n. So opposite to that, we have to divide by the same number minus 7 on both sides. So on simplification by minus 7, on left side minus 7 1 ja, on right side minus 7 3 ja. So 1 into n is equal to 3 is the solution of the equation. Now let us check whether it is correct or not. Put n is equal to 3 in the above equation. Then left hand side is equal to 18 minus 7 into, put 3 in place of n. That is 18 minus 7 into 3 is equal to 18 minus 7 into 3 is 21. That is equal to minus 3, which is also on the right hand side of the equation. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is verified. Now ninth problem, 3 into k plus 4 is equal to 21. Solution 9. Observe that here 3 is multiplying. So opposite to that, we have to divide by the same number 3 on both sides. That is 3 into k plus 4 by 3 is equal to 21 by 3. On simplification by 3, on left hand side 3 1 ja, on right hand side 3 7 ja. So 1 into k plus 4 is k plus 4 is equal to 7. Observe that here 4 is added. So opposite to that, we have to subtract the same number 4 on both sides. That is k plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 7 minus 4 Plus 4 minus 4 are get cancelled. So we get k is equal to 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So k is equal to 3 is the solution of the equation. Now let us check whether it is correct or not. Put k is equal to 3 in the given equation. Then left hand side is equal to 3 into, put 3 in place of k, that is 3 plus 4, which is equal to 3 into 3 plus 4 is 7. So 3 into 7 is equal to 21, which is also on the right hand side of the equation. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is verified. Now 10th problem, 9 into a plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 11. Solution 10, observe that here plus 2. So opposite to that we have to subtract same number 2 on both sides. That is 9 into a plus 1 plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 11 minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 are get cancelled on left hand side. Then 9 into a plus 1 is equal to 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. Observe that here 9 is multiplying. So opposite to that we have to divide by the same number 9 on both sides. On simplification by 9, 9 1 ja on left hand side and right hand side. Then 1 into a plus 1 is a plus 1 is equal to 1. Observe that here 1 is added. So opposite to that we have to subtract the same number 1 on both sides. Then plus 1 minus 1 are get cancelled on both left hand side and right hand side. So we get a is equal to 0 is the solution of the equation. Now let us check whether it is correct or not. Put a is equal to 0 in the given equation. Then left hand side is equal to 9 into, put 0 in place of a, 0 plus 1 plus 2, that is equal to 9 into 1 plus 2. 9 into 1 is 9 plus 2, which is equal to 11, which is also on the right hand side. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is verified. Now puzzle time. Solve the puzzle using simple equations. Here take apple as a small a, banana as small b and orange as small r. Now observe that there are two apples which cost 30 rupees. So 2a is equal to 30. Here 2 is multiplying a. So on dividing by 2 we get a is equal to 30 by 2. So a is equal to 15 rupees. Now observe that there are 4 bananas equal to 12 rupees. So 4b is equal to 12. So on dividing by 4 on both sides, b is equal to 12 by 4. So b is equal to 3 rupees. Now observe that there are 3 oranges. So 3 oranges cost 15 rupees. So 3r is equal to 15. Dividing by 3 on both sides, we get r is equal to 15 by 3. So on simplification r is equal to 5. Now last, apple plus banana into orange, that is equal to a plus b into r is equal to 15 plus 3 into 5. Take the BODMAS rule. Out of plus and multiplication, first multiplication comes. So 3 into 5 is 15. Next operation is addition. So 15 plus 15 is equal to 30 is the answer.
Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to subscribe. Say Maths.